Hello everyone, it is me, Rhino, and I have another little mini vlog for you. Today was the last pretty day that we're going to have probably for the rest of the week, so the wife, Darsto, and I decided to make an adventure of it. We started out really early this morning and went to Darsto's chiropractor appointment. After she got all lined up, we decided to go to our favorite coffee place, Spencer's. I got a mocha and she got an Americano. It was absolutely wonderful. They really do have the best coffee in Bowling Green. After that, I was a little hungry, so we went over to Gad's, which is a long-time favorite donut shop of mine. I used to eat there a lot in college as a little treat, and every now and then I still stop off there to get some chocolate chip donuts. While we were at the chiropractor, we ran into my buddy Baby Hulk, who owns Battleborn Performance, so we decided to swing over to his shop and deliver him a donut. After chit-chatting for a little bit and catching up, Darsto and I decided to hit the road and go to Mammoth Cave. The road up there was beautiful. We decided to take 31W, lots of country, some good little wooded areas, and then we made our way into Mammoth Cave, not before finding the most peculiar sight I have seen in a while. A Dollar Tree and a Family Dollar merged as one store in what appears to be a war with the Dollar General across the street. It's a very interesting little scene, and you can only find it in Kentucky. After leaving that weird scenario, we actually made it into the park. Got to stop off at a couple of lookouts, see all the pretty scenery, went to the visitor center, and enjoyed their little cave museum. After that, we decided to kind of take the long way back to 31W and stop for lunch back in Bowling Green at Qdoba. Got a couple burritos and called it a day. It was a good day, and I really enjoyed it. Glad that we were still getting a little bit of warm weather this time of year. But if you are enjoying this series, let me know. Hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and I guess that's all I got. You guys have fun, be safe, chase that horizon.